present a conversation on practicing lame excuses to hide the fact that we haven't done our homework in front of our teacher. Let's begin. Hi. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. Muskan, did you finish your science homework?
Not exactly. I planned, but the destiny had other plans.
Destiny? What destiny? Did a meteor hit your house again?
No, this time my cat jumped upon my desk and spitted the water on my notebook that I tried to save by scratching it into pieces.
That's not crazy enough. Peter won't believe a cat story again.
Okay, how about this? I was doing my homework when the maid tornado blew from my window and carried me with it.
Not bad. But something like such a not heroic. Like, you chased the tornado to save your homework.
Yes, and when I caught it, a flying squirrel snatched it from my hand and to the middle.
Perfect. And then the squirrel promised you to return it after the science itself.
Oh, let's hope Peter has a good sense of humor today.
Yes.